So guys, this is our dashboard, and if I go to our site, I can go there and right click, open a new tab, and here I can see this is the website which we are designing. So this is our home page. It's beautiful, fantastic. I can click on this. I can click on about. So we have just designed our about page. Now this time what I want to do, I can click on this and I can click on men's belt so that I can design this page, men's belt. Now click on edit page. I can say edit with Elementor. As we all know that Elementor is the best page builder in the world. With the help of Elementor we can design any page. It is very easy, simple and all that. I can click on this and I want to select one structure. So here we see the blue line is the structure and inside the gray line is the column. So we work with the structure, and at the left hand side we can find these three dots. If I click over here, I can see all elements. These all elements are free in Elementor. With the help of all elements we can create an amazing premium website. So there are so many elements. Okay, so let's get started. To create our product page, click on stretch section, then the content width, I want it to be no column gap. Height, I can say minimum height 250. I can click on update, then I can click on style, and the background color, select the color from here, say light blue. I can click on background overlay. If I want to put any image the backside of the background, maybe this, I can click on insert. After this I can click on these 9 icon, click on this and hold for the time, and I can drag this over here and the text heading, type with title. So my title is leather belt. So at the left hand side we find the type. If I want to type the link, and here you can type open a new window, but I don't want to do that. I'm fine with this. Size HTML tag H2, I can say H1, alignment center, update can go up, and now I can style so, or maybe then we have typography 45, it's fine. Weight, I can say transform uppercase. Style, I am fine with spacing, attachment fixed, repeat and no repeat, or maybe repeat X, maybe repeat Y, opacity, so that heading should be clear. Update, okay, I want to add product, not this. I want to show 4 products, so I can search for image. Click on this and hold for the time, and I can drag it over here and choose the image. Title, this is for SEO. The people, when visitors they go on Google, they search for, they don't search for these numbers, they search for leather belt, formal leather belt, new leather belt, black leather belt, brown leather belt. Like that you can give the title. So I can say leather belt, and below that I want to give some description about this product. So I can click on this and search for text editor, hold and drag over here what I want to do. So this is my product, and below that there is a description about the product, like what leather is, whatever you know about the product, type the description. Okay, I can go over here and I can say button, just click, drag the button. I can see the settings. Click over here, I can type per piece, give a link, HTTPS, say contact, tutorial purpose. So I can copy all this, copy. So like this you can add more description about the product. So friends, here we can see our product and the price, and we have given a link. So anybody want to inquire or even anybody want to buy, they can click on this. They will be redirected to contact page and they can order from there. Click on update. So let's take a look. Now what I want to do, I want to show 3 more product over here. So this is going to be very easy and very simple. It's just drag and drop, right click on the column and duplicate. So the whole area is duplicate, right click, duplicate, and this I can say right delete. This one also I can say right click, delete. So in this way we have created 4 products. Now I can click on this image. You can choose the image size. Even you can give caption. If you want to add caption, you can add caption and caption. You can give media file. I don't want to do that. Now click over here. I can delete this image and I can choose the new image. Click on that. This part is very important because whatever the title you will give, make sure the title should related to your product so that when people will search, they will be on the first page of the Google. So I will say formal manufacturer, exporter, whatever your product is. Copy, right click, paste, click on update, and let's take a look. So this is how you can add your product, and this is your image, some description about the product, its price, and we have given a link contact, so people will come there and they will click on this. So next, what I want to do, I can do so many things because there are so many options to design your product. Now I will tell you a trick, and in that trick what you can do, just go there, right click, duplicate column, and you can put other images. You can delete this, choose maybe this one. So this is how easy it is. I don't like because this is down, this is up. So what I can do, duplicate, you can select 4 columns, hold for a time and drag it to the box or to the column, hold and drag it down, delete, click on update, and everything is fine, but I want to give some margin or padding over here because these things very close. So what I can do, I can click on this and I go to advanced, and there I can say 100 top and bottom, or maybe 50, maybe 75. So we have got the space top and at the bottom. Update, there are so many more things which you can do over on this right. You can click on this, on advanced motion effect, and you can see, or you can say fade in down. Click on update, and I can click on this advanced motion effect. I can say fade in left, advanced motion effect, fade in right, advanced motion effect, I can say fade in left. For this one, advanced motion effect, can say fade in left or fade in right. If you don't like, I can click on this and I can say slow animation delay, slow and animation delay 1500, 1.5 seconds. Update. So I want to see the preview, can go there. So there are a lot of things which you can do what I do. Let me tell you one very important thing which we have to do. When our visitors, normally all the customers, they are having mobile and they search everything on Google on their mobile. So I think, according to, in my opinion, 90% or maybe 80% the business comes from the mobile devices. So our website should be mobile response, so that when they open the mobile, everything should be proper. So let's check, have a look. Logo is fine, menu is fine. I can click on the menu, it's fine. Maybe I want to style the typography. I can say the size is okay. This is, I can go to the content, and alignment should be in the center. Now there is no gap. I want to give some gap over here. So what I can do, I can click on this, can go to advanced padding. Okay, that's not an issue, that's fine. And here I can go to content center. I did some mistake. So whenever you find you did some mistakes, you can go there. So from here you can maybe click over here, go to content, click on this, go to content center, go to content, and maybe you want to fix the description. So go to style, update, stop. Now we will see how our website will look on tablet. So I can click on tablet. If you want to change, you can change, but I think everything is fine. Or maybe this heading, click on this and I can say typography size. So when your visitors will go on website, if they are using tablet, click on update. You can close this, and from here I can see the preview. So guys, this is how easy it is. It's just drag and drop. We have created our product page, men's belt, in a very simple and easy way. If you like this information what you see so far, please subscribe my channel YouTube. If you want to learn the whole complete Elementor, just go on YouTube, type Louis Bond, and you can find 2 hours 3 hours video, and you can learn and you can design your website. It's very easy. Thank you very much. God bless all of us.